Hello. I can't believe fall is literally around the corner, like next week around the corner. It's my favorite season of the year. The leaves are changing colors. My favorite fruits come into season, like persimmon and pomegranate, and we get an extra hour of sleep. And then there's Halloween, where I can wear my cheetah onesie out in public, Thanksgiving and all the yummies, making gingerbread houses but healthier, carving pumpkins, and going for a hot bowl of pho. What do you like about fall? Oh, I also love the air during the season. It's like cool and clean and just the right temperature for jeans, a tee, and tennis shoes. Learning about the four seasons helps people understand the passage of time and change. Like, can you believe that 2021 is almost over? Although California doesn't have all four seasons in comparison to other states, there are some subtle differences between the four. Some cool and time-consuming art projects I liked having in the classroom for the children were mostly from fall and winter months. Learning about the leaves changing, hibernation, carving pumpkins, projects of snowmen, snowflakes, turkeys, leaves, gingerbread houses, and so much more. Here's one that I have been doing in the classroom, and it can be done on a sliding scale of difficulty. I've tried this project drawing animals, nature, automobiles, caves, etc., and allowing children to design what they like to add on. I use paper punchers since I'm working from home and I have them handy. However, in the classroom, I usually have the children draw and then cut, rip, whatever they like to add. Montessori is all about the older children helping the younger, and in art projects like this, you can just sit back and watch the magic. Once completed, it's nice to have them up on the wall side by side to see all the creativity. You can send them to family and friends too.